What's up guys, Mark Fox here, and in today's video we'll be going over 3 accessories that I believe will up your drone game. Quick note, I've added a bonus accessory at the end of the video, so stick around to see it. Also, everything that I mentioned in this video will have a link in the description to Amazon where you can check out the product. Starting off with something simple but very effective is a lanyard. Now you might be thinking, how's a lanyard going to help me up my drone game? Well, having that extra weight off your hands is going to allow you to fly a lot better, especially if you're flying for a prolonged period of time. Another accessory that actually complements the lanyard is controller joysticks. The reason why I say this is because when they work together, it actually allows you to hold the controller in a much more comfortable position. This also allows you to capture much smoother footage. Onto our last accessory, and one that actually follows up on capturing much smoother footage, is ND filters. ND filters are like having sunglasses for your drone's camera. It allows you to capture much more smooth and cinematic footage. Now I will be going over best settings and how to capture cinematic footage in a future video, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and be notified when I do. Now onto our bonus accessory. It's something that I don't have but increasingly know I need, and it's a controller sunshade. On sunny days I find myself looking for shade and ways to block sun from my screen. In most scenarios this isn't practical and a controller sunshade is required. That's the reason why I'm confident that this is the cherry on top for the accessories that you need to up your drone game. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, make sure to leave it in the comment section below. Hit that like button, and if you're new around here, hit that subscribe button. Also, if you're on Instagram or Twitter, you can follow me at HiMarkFox. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.